Textron Off-Road provides everything you need to keep moving. Today we're looking at windshield and rear window options for the Wildcat XX. First up is the full windshield. This is the maximum coverage option made of durable, abrasion-resistant polycarbonate for clear coverage that will look great for years. The full windshield has two upper vents to control airflow, so you can tailor your experience to suit the weather, terrain, and climate. Next up is the half windshield. This is for riders who want a little more airflow than the full windshield is able to provide. It's made of the same durable, abrasion-resistant polycarbonate, but designed to divert the air up and over the vehicle's occupants. Moving on to the back, you've got a rear window made out of shatterproof polycarbonate to provide a clear rear view while reducing dust swirl. If you've also got a full windshield, this is a perfect addition for keeping dirt and debris from getting in your face. Finally, the soft rear window option. This is a clear vinyl window that serves the same purpose as a standard rear window, reducing dust swirl and working in tandem with the front windshield. This is a solution for riders who are looking for a removable option. It's easy to mount, does its job well, and is made to last. For information on this or any other Textron off-road products, contact your local dealer or visit us at textronoffroad.com. Any task, any trail, anytime. Wherever you need to go, there's a Textron off-road vehicle to take you there.